Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to start with the interest rate hike. After talking about the interest rate hike, where 93% expect that we will see a pause and no longer an interest rate hike by maybe 25% or 25 basis points, after this, we will have a sneak peek into stablecoins because they're getting more and more value in and getting more and more money in so that the market cap rises. Also, it's pretty obvious that we are going to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is right now maybe the most stable coin ever. But we have also interesting scenarios that could play out bullish or bearish. I will talk about that later, so make sure that you watch from the beginning till the end. And let's start with the interest rate hike. As I said, 93% expect that we will see a pause, so the interest rate will not be hiked. But 7% think that the interest rate will be hiked by 25 basis points, and hiking the interest rate by 25 basis points is very humanic. But if we get more interest rate hike in, this could mean maybe that the bearish scenarios are more likely to play out than the bullish scenarios. And what do you guys think? Will the interest rate be paused or do we see more interest rate hike? That's very interesting. I would truly appreciate if you go down below in the comment section and write your opinion right now. So let's have a sneak peek into stablecoins. Stablecoins got added $663 million onto the market cap, so the stablecoins getting more value in, and that is, in my opinion, very, very bullish because the stablecoins are also part of the cryptocurrencies. If stablecoins getting more attention, so will Bitcoin in the end. And $663 million is a good amount of money, guys. That's pretty obvious. And therefore, if we have a look at Bitcoin, maybe if Bitcoin manages to flip the resistance that are upwards into support, we could play out the bullish scenarios. Right now, Bitcoin is stuck in this sidewards move. As you can see, this horizontal box is accompanying the price. We have a little volatility around 25,000 up to the peak around 27,000. And 27,000 is one of our major resistance zones right now. We have our EMA ribbon, as you can see here. We had the bearish flip, the light green EMA ribbon went downwards and the dark green went upwards, and it's the last resistance zone upwards. It sits around $27,700. We have our MACD. The MACD is also a very, very interesting and important indicator. And this indicator flipped bullish, but right now it's on its way to flip bearish. We have the bearish EMA ribbon, and if MACD will also flip bearish, we have the confirmation of 2 out of 3 indicators, and the RSI is still below the 50 level, and that means the RSI is on its bearish momentum. And therefore, these 3 indicators right now signal that we have no green light for a bullish scenario to play out. But guys, that's not the end. We have this one bigger picture. It's in the monthly time frame, and I think with that we could see a transition right now between the bear market and the next or the upcoming bull market. Because if we have a look at the 200 weekly moving average, it's the indicator here in red, you can see whenever the chart bottomed in, we saw a very, very strong upwards move. Once, twice, and the third time, guys, the bear market bottom is not on the support line of the 200 weekly moving average. No, this time it's down below. We are below the 200 weekly moving average, and right now even if we flipped on the short term the 200 weekly moving average into support, we are back at the point where the 200 weekly moving average acts as a resistance line, and the resistance line sits around 27,594 US dollars. You heard 27,000 resistance before, and it's the EMA ribbons, guys. We have more and more resistance between the 26,600 up to the 27,700 range. So we have some smaller milestones on the way upwards, guys. But that's not the problem. The problem is that we also have the danger of this pattern that could possibly play out if Bitcoin doesn't manage to flip the bullish scenarios, flip the bearish scenarios into the bullish scenarios, and make sure that the bearish scenarios are invalid. Because this double top scenario, guys, you can see here the first top and the second top, is a bearish scenario for sure. And if this bearish scenario, if we take the lengths, if this bearish scenario plays out, the technical price target could be possibly around 22,000 US dollars. And 22,000 US dollars, we had support around this area, guys, several times. And also resistance around this area, guys. Yeah. So 22,000, we collected there a lot of information. And 22,000, guys, you heard it once, and the second time we will hear it right now with the monthly S2 line. It's the second support line on the pivot range indicator if we do not hold the line with the first support line, the monthly S1 line, which sits around 23,900 US dollars. So Bitcoin has to flip the most important resistance right now. It's the 27,000 level into support, guys. It's the pivot range, it's the 200 weekly moving average, and also the ribbons, guys. So therefore we have very, very strong resistance around 27,000 level. So these are the most important scenarios that I want to share right now in this video with you. If you like the content, guys, make sure that you go down below this video, leave the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.